did that in the McLaren.
Dude, I went over. I was gonna pass you. Did you see me behind me? Both passed. You got another break. Oh, I didn't see that. And I turned into the left-hander. I cut all my first valve and shit lines.
Did it run okay?
Yeah, okay. But all my fuel lines on that left-hander, like just snapped. It was like so I could smell gas. The gas is coming to go. So we'll see where the gas is coming from. Yeah, because these are connected to the tank. You want to put those on real quick and I'll get ready. Yeah,
Your water line's not leaking, right?
John was behind me one time. I mean, full lot. Snap, left hand. And I could smell gas, so I'm like,
It's fucking tired. It's like,
I
dude, not that long, we got 225, but you turn the wheel and just push it. Just go.
I could see.
When that Miata did that, that's when you learned. I actually grabbed the black one. Because he was going to crack out.
Jason, the big Indian instructor group?
Yeah.
Black one.
Yeah, that's Jason. He's a NASA guy. He should know better. He's been instructing a long time. I guess we'll be able
I just hope
to.
it's not your water method leaking.
Huh?
Your water tank's not leaking, right?
No.
You're going out again?
Yeah. I'm just going to see if I can get it to.
Oh, just to check.
Because we're going to have to cap. I just cut them off. There's 3 lines that go to the fuel tank.
Very good.
All right, we're all torqued tight.
Yep.
Gas caps on. We'll see if there's any fuel coming out. So I'll pull off to the side when I come in and see if you can see fuel. Okay, good.
Figure that out.
Low battery. Do me a favor. Besides that, here, I'll get this. Push my thing in for the charger. Okay. See what we got. Okay. What?
Thank you.
I see you. I see you. something.